Welcome everyone to another wonderful episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. We have a very young patient who has presented to our office today with a monster corn on the bottom of the right foot. He's got two, but there's one in particular that is literally like a volcano. It looks like it. I hope the camera and the footage does justice to the clinical presentation. I want everyone to look here. Callus never lies. We have one here, and the patient has been, this is the first time we see the patient. She's been grinding it on her own, but when I feel this, I mean, it's huge, and I can only imagine the amount of pain that this is really creating for the patient. So we're going to go ahead and enucleate, and we're going to work it slow, right? This is huge. Dr. Wagner, what causes this? This is a biomechanical, first of all, it's multifactorial, but biomechanics as well as structure. But I can feel. We will never understand, for the people out there, right, the entire world, how painful these lesions are. As everyone knows, we focus our efforts on prevention, and she would be an excellent candidate, maybe in the near future, for a minimally invasive procedure. The callus is a symptom of the underlying problem. Until proven otherwise, there's a little bone, right, underneath it. Make believe it's like a little bone spur. What we do is we basically shave it down. Once we shave down the problem, the symptom, poof, goes away. Oh, we got pus. So, we got pus, which means that we may find, right, a possible foreign body in there. And now I'm going to ask the patient, have you stepped on anything?
I think so.
Oops, the cat just popped out of the bag. I think so. So now we're going to hunt for a possible foreign body. I apologize. Patient, I just want to make sure you are in no pain. Good. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, I'm going to kind of go like this. This may be a little uncomfortable. Please let me know, okay? So what I like to use this technique, basically coming from the inside out, because sometimes putting more pressure from the outside, kind of like this, will create more discomfort. You see there's a pocket here. You're doing great. See him come around. Sorry about that. It's over here, the pocket. Trying to give you guys a How you doing?
All right.
You okay? No discomfort, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. I'm gonna change blades a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and when did you said you might have stepped on something. When was that?
Early part of this year, I think.
Early part of the year?
Mm-hmm. And I've been, like I said, I've been grinding it for the last 3 years. I mean, the last 3 months. Because it started poking out like this. Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Would you like a little bit of local... There we go. Would you like a little bit of local anesthesia?
No, I took it. I took it all.
Some people, for the entire world, when we do these procedures, you know, we uploaded a video that for a while ago, and it was basically we did give the patient the option. We give patients options. Would you like local anesthesia? And some patients say, I'd rather not. The minute that they hear an injection, ah! But
I'm scared of needles, that's why.
oh, so patient's scared of needles, so you know, then all of a sudden I get a tsunami of comments of why didn't you numb the foot, right? That I'm not sensitive, but that's not the case. Caesar, you know that.
I'm afraid of needles too.
So am I. Let's continue. We're getting, I'm gonna go ahead and stand up now, I think. I think you'll get a better. So now we have to find out. Okay. I apologize. And again, I want to be very clear with everyone. The patient has chosen, has opted, does not want any. We're gonna kind of just again, it's sensitive because we're now down to the level of what we call subcutaneous tissue here. You sure you don't want a little?
I'm gonna have to.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so the patient has had a very quick change of heart. So we just infiltrated a little bit of anesthesia. Yay! Okay. Patient, any discomfort here? Discomfort? Okay, good. So now, what are we looking for? We're looking for a possible foreign body. You're doing great, by the way. So let's focus on this area, which is numb. This is numb. Am I correct?
It's something you just hit in my feet.
I'm sorry?
It's something you just hit. Whatever you just did, that's where it's at. The area right there.
Okay. Oh. Oh. I think we found the problem. Okay, so I think I feel maybe, let's see here. If it is, would you like a little bit more local anesthesia, patient?
No. Okay, go.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I think we found the issue. There is a foreign body here. And what we have here is a foreign body. There was an abscess as a result of the foreign body. There's something called a foreign body granuloma. It's basically a cocoon that the body creates to protect itself. It creates this cocoon around the foreign body because the foreign body does not belong there. And in addition to that, that's why at the beginning when I said it looks like a volcano, right? And we started saying that maybe there's a bone spur, there was a little bit of a detour. Okay, so this is it right here. This is it. If people are wondering what it is, it looks like it's really, it's firm. Again, it's not off, might be some residual glass. Do you recall stepping on glass? Yes. The patient is saying yes. And again, take a look there. So we had to really and just a friendly reminder to everyone, this has been present since the beginning of the year. But Dr. Wagner, why did the patient wait so long to go see someone?
Pandemic.
I'm sorry?
The pandemic.
The pandemic. Right? So, the good news, foreign body's out, number one. We basically drained the abscess. And we're going to implement local wound care. The patient will have a little bit of a difficult time walking, just because it's on the bottom of the foot and it's kind of like, you know, it's a little bit of a defect. But the patient came here at the right time. This could have been a lot worse. And the patient has no diabetes, which is great. As always, www.jawspodiatry.com, Instagram, Dr. Tojan, Jaws Podiatry, Facebook, and last but not least, our YouTube channel, Jaws Healthcare. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the patient for allowing us to do this little video. Really appreciate it. And as always, Caesar, back in the game. Ladies and gentlemen, wear shoes. It's not worth it, whether it's a simple bougainvillea thorn or glass. Have a nice week.